to the Galaxy Game Show, and I'm going to be your host, Eileen Pouliquen. And our contestant for today is Howie. So, Howie, you have a few words to say today.
Speak. 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 Good boy.
Today I'm going to talk about the relationship among the sun, the earth, and the moon. The sun gives off light which reflects off the moon. As the moon revolves around the earth blocks some, all, or none of the light from the moon, which creates the moon phases. Which one do you think is bigger? I think it's the moon. No, I think it's the earth.
No, it's the sun. That's the biggest.
That's right, Chubbs. The sun is the largest. In fact, it is 1,000,000 times larger than Earth. The Earth comes next, and the moon is the smallest, and it is about 1/4 the size of Earth. Let's describe some more characteristics between the sun, the moon, and the Earth. Some people may think that we are alone in the galaxy, but this is not true. We are part of a larger system of planets. We are the third from the sun and the only planet with only one moon. The sun is about 8 light minutes away from the earth, which is about 93 million miles. The temperature is 15 million degrees Kelvin, which is really hot. Okay. Because of Earth's elliptical path, the average distance between the moon and the earth is about 238,857 miles. The moon has no light of its own, but reflects light from the sun. Howie, can you tell me some things that are affected by the sun, moon, and earth system?
Can you see? Tell us. Tell us some more. Tell us some more. What about the sun and the moon? Tell us. Yeah? Tell me. Tell me. Tell me some more. Hello. It's right. Tell me some more. Good boy.
Howie, you're so smart. Rotation of the earth and the moon affect the tides. Revolution of the earth around the sun causes the seasons, and the 8 phases of the moon are caused by the light of the sun and the shadow of the earth onto the moon. Which makes me wonder, what's the difference between revolution and rotation?
Speak. 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 Good.
That's right, Howie. Rotation is when something is spinning on its axis, and revolution is when something is going around it. Some of the effects of rotation are night and day, daily temperature changes, and tides. The Earth's revolution around the sun is an ellipse and takes 365 1/4 days. As the moon rotates on its axis, it is revolving around the Earth, which takes 27 1/3 days. Phases are the different shapes the moon appears to have. These phases change daily and are caused by the Earth's shadow. As the moon revolves around the Earth's shadow blocks all or some of the sunlight from the moon, which causes the different shapes. Waxing is when the moon is getting bigger, and waning is when the moon is getting smaller. Now I am going to talk about tides. The gravitational pull of the moon and the sun makes the ocean rise and fall, which causes tides. There are 2 kinds of tides, spring tides and neap tides. Spring tides are when there is a new moon and full moon. The sun and moon are in a straight line. Their combined gravitational pull produces spring tides. High tides are very high and low tides are very low. Neap tides is when the sun and moon are at right angles from the earth. This happens during the quarter phases of the moon. Gravitational pull on the ocean is less. There is a smaller difference between high and low tides. This is an example of a spring tide in France where I'm from. You can see that the water level is very high, and 6 hours later it is very low. Now we're going to see if our contestant Howie knows what causes the seasons.
Speak. Tell us what causes the seasons. What is it? Speak. Speak. Tell us. Tell us. Speak. Speak. Tell us some more. Tell us some more.
Speak.
Speak.
Speak. Speak. Speak.
Speak. Speak. Speak.
Speak.
Good. Speak. Speak. Speak.
Howie had a little difficulty with that question. Revolution of the Earth around the Sun causes seasons. Because of the tilt of the Earth's axis, there is uneven heating of the Earth's surface. One side of the Earth is in summer, while the other side is in winter. When one side is in fall, the other is in spring. Now I'm going to talk about the theories of Ptolemy and Copernicus. The astronomer Ptolemy believed created the geocentric model. Geocentric model describes the concept of an Earth-centered universe where the sun and planets revolve around Earth. Ptolemy's geocentric model has the planets moving in circular orbits around a motionless Earth. His theory from AD 141 went challenged for almost 13 centuries. Copernicus arrived after the Middle Ages and made an important change to Ptolemy's theory. He placed the sun at the center of the universe and concluded that Earth was a planet. Heliocentric model states that the Earth and the other planets revolve around the sun. This concludes our episode of the Galaxy Game Show. Thank you, Howard, for being our contestant. Thank you for watching. Speak.
Speak. Speak.